Yes, defendants represented by sorry? I can't hear you. Olushola.
Yes.
What is your position, sir?
Legal manager.
And Abimola Salam.
And who?
Abimola.
Please spell the last name. M-I-S. Yes. Yes, counsel.
With deep reverence, Lord, I am Feng M. Kwajok. Feng is spelled F-E-N-G. M initial. Kwajok. Kwajok is P-W-A-J-O-K. And Lord, I appear with my learned friends, Maria B. Inche.
Maria.
Spell
that.
M-A-R-I-A.
Mm-hmm.
B. Inche. Inche is N-C-H-E. And Abubakar Mustafa. Lord, we appear for the claimants.
Defendants, please.
Max.
Yes.
James Giving water. Julian. Mumbai. Sylvia came across.
Spell the last name.
Came across Nkpm.
Yes.
Makosi. Makosi.
Yes, please.
Yes, Lord, the case is slated for hearing. Lord, before we proceed into trial, we have a motion to regularize our reply to the statement of defense.
Yes.
Yes, Lord, the motion is dated and filed the 30th of September, 2025.
Defendants counsel have you been served?
Yes, sir. No objection.
Yes, please.
Yes. Lord, the motion is dated and filed the 30th day of September, 2025. This brought pursuant to the rules of this honorable court, seeking for extension of time within which the claimant shall file his reply to the statement of defense an additional witness statement. Lord, the second prayer is the deeming order. Lord, the application is supported by affidavit.
I don't think it's supposed to be same, so just move in terms of that application.
As a court, please, my Lord, we move in terms and respectfully claim my Lord to grant the application, sir. We're most obliged.
Orders are granted as read in the application of the claimant applicant dated and filed the 30th day of September 2025, and the processes filed therewith are deemed properly filed and served in accordance with the rules of this court.
Lord, please. Lord, we are grateful.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord, subject to the overriding convenience of the court, we have the claimant who is ready to testify.
Yes. Yes, Bashir. Where is the claimant?
I'm here, madam. I'm David Itulua.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You are a Christian or a Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
You want to swear or affirm?
I want to affirm.
So you speak out.
Okay.
You say, I, you put your name.
I, David Itulua,
Hereby affirm that
hereby affirm that
the evidence I shall give in this case
the evidence I can give in this case
before this honorable court
before this honorable court
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Once more, tell the court your name, your address, and your occupation.
I'm David Ewanewulu Itulua. In Nigeria, my address was number 12 Redeem Road.
Please take it slowly. The court is recording in longhand. Yes.
Okay, sorry for that. I'm David Ewanewulu Itulua.
I can't get the second name. I only have
Ewalewulu.
David Itulua here.
Yes, Itulua, David Itulua.
Just David Itulua.
Okay, thank you. Then I live in number 12 Redeem Road, Asaba, off
Number what?
number 12 Redeem Road.
I can't hear. What road?
Redeem Road.
Redeem Road.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Redeem Road where?
Asaba, off Opanam Road. Off Opanam Road.
Yes.
Asaba. My resident here in Canada is 3185.
It's what? Repeat that again.
3185. 3185.
3185.
Yes, Forest Grade Drive.
Forest what?
Grade. Glade. Grade.
I don't know if council you can help us because I can't hear him. The address is saying in Canada. Only God
Can you
knows.
spell the address?
Forest.
Yes.
Forest. Grade. Glade. Then Drive. Windsor.
Forest Glade, my lord. Glade.
Drive, Windsor, Canada.
Glade.
Yes.
Glade.
Yes.
Yes, Lord.
Forest Glade what? Drive.
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 Yes. Windsor, Canada.
Where is that Forest Glade Drive?
Windsor, W-I.
Winston.
Where's
Windsor.
that?
Windsor.
W.
Yes.
I-D-S-O-R.
WIDSON.
O-S-I.
OSI.
Yes.
Spell that again. WI.
D-S-O-R. Windsor.
Take it gradually.
Okay. W-I.
W-I-N.
WI.
N.
W-I-N-D-S-O-R.
Canada.
Yes, you said it. You said Canada.
Okay.
Yes. What is your occupation?
I'm an accountant by profession.
Washima, please come. What happened to my audio? He said he's an accountant.
By profession.
I can't hear again. Yes, Lord. Yes, go ahead, counsel.
Okay. Do you remember making a statement on oath on the 29th day of October 2024?
Yes, I did.
If you see the statement, how would you identify it?
My name and signature.
What date?
29th October 2024.
Can you check it? Yes.
Do you also remember making additional statement on oath on the 29th of September 2025?
Yes, I did.
Before a notary public?
Yes, I did.
Twenty-ninth what?
29th September 2025.
Yes.
Yes. How will you identify this statement?
I will also identify with my name and my signature on it.
Yes.
Yes. What do you want the court to do with these two statements?
I want it to be an oath for them to, my statement to be on the oath, before the oath.
You want your statement to be what?
I want my statement to be recognized as my oath for my appeal.
As your evidence.
As your,
My evidence, yes, as my evidence for my appeal.
as the court pleases.
See, if it's not, then maybe we'll then change the device. Yes, that's on record. The both statements of 29th October 2024 and 29th September 2025 adopted as his oral evidence in chief at this trial.
As the court pleases. Agree to my lord. My lord, we have 17 documents to tender to the witness. We have earlier settled documents. The defense counsel, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. But except for one document which the witness is laying foundation, every other document is in the form, my lord.
Yes.
But may I lead the witness to lay foundation for the sole document? Yes. Yes. Mr. David, in paragraph 48 of your witness statement on oath, you refer to a letter dated 7th August 2024. Yes. This letter is a photocopy. Where is the original?
The original, I gave it, the lawyer supposed to have it, but during the movement, he said after a thorough search, he could not find it. But the photocopy is with you.
I didn't hear him.
Can you repeat what you said?
I said the original was to be produced, but during the movement of the house, we couldn't find it, and the copy is with the lawyer.
Original.
Yes.
Lord, the documents are serially arranged as provided in the schedule of documents, my Lord.
Yes, you file the schedule of documents.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, so let's yes, Dependents Council.
But save for number 13 on the list, number 13 on the list had earlier been tendered to the Supreme Goodness, my Lord.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my Lord, we have earlier settled them, and we have no objection to the figure.
Where is document number 2 here? Where is it? Check. I saw 1 and 3. Here. I didn't ask you to check. Where is number 2 here? That's 3. This, please, say, don't enter the name. Documents are all admitted in evidence as they serially appear in schedule of documents filed by claimants dated 29th October 2024 and marked as Exhibit C1 to C17. Three. Before, please give me the file. Give me the file that. So then you shouldn't have started with 1. Because you already have C1, C2, C3. So that should be from 4. Huh? Bring them. So that's C4 to wash now. C4 to 20. No, it can't be 20. It should be 21.
21.
Is it 21?
This is 17. This is the last one, 17.
17 documents.
There are 17. 17 plus 3, is that not 21?
17 plus 3, 29.
Is it 20? Sorry.
Yes.
C4 to C20.
Yes.
Okay, there are 3 here.
3, yeah.
Oh, wow.
17.
So I take that again, please. The documents are all admitted in evidence and marked as Exhibit C4 to C20. All right. So now you have to, Adiba, you have to start here before. So you take it.
Yes.
I don't want you to mix up this thing. So you start one after, just change this to 4. Then you clean this 5 as well. It will stop on 20. Yes, Council. If you know you are not going to do this properly, you give it to one of us. I don't want you to scatter this up. Arrange it. Okay. Arrange them in that order so that we don't have to go over a weekly. Yes, Defendant's Counsel. You may proceed, please.
Thank you very much. Mr. David, good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Hello? You said what?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I think I'm hearing him now.
Okay. Good morning, I believe, on your end. Good morning now. Mr. David, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, Mr. David, I want you to confirm to this court that you stopped working for the defendant on the 18th of March 2025. That was the last day you reported for work.
My last day was supposed to be on the 1st of April. On the 18th, Salami called me that the MD said I should not come to the office any longer.
Please, witness, please listen carefully and save the time of the court, please. Just confirm whether it is true or false that you stopped working for the defendant on 18th March 2025.
Yes.
Yes, Counsel.
Okay, thank you. 2024, sorry.
2024,
Yes,
sorry, 2024, not 5. Yes.
Can you confirm to the court that in the computation of your final benefits, your salary for March 2024 was paid?
Can you come again, please?
In the computation
Mm-hmm.
of the final pay due to you, confirm that your full salary for March 2024 was included.
Yes, it was included, and it was paid in June.
Thank you.
Yes.
Mr. David, in your relief I, you are asking to be paid 2.4 million naira as profit sharing for 2022 and 2023. My question is, how did you arrive at that figure?
How I arrived that figure is my position as at that time. All of them were paid. I was aware they were paid at that amount. For
You need to
deputy
get his
managers.
response because I can't hear anything.
Yes, hold on, my lord wants to get your response. So if you can take your response again so that my lord can record you.
I said, as a deputy manager, that was what I was entitled to.
As a deputy manager, that was what you were entitled to.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have any document before the court showing that entitlement?
We are not given any document. It's at the end of the profit year we are paid.
Yes.
Okay, so Mr. David, you also confirmed in your testimony that the company sent you an email notifying you of the cancellation of exit severance package.
Yes.
Yes.
That email, I believe, got to you on the 16th of May 2018. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Yes.
After you got that email, you continued to work in the defendant until 2024. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
After you got that email, did you lay any formal complaint challenging the decision to terminate exit severance package?
Yes, I went to the MD, Madam Susan, Helly Susan.
Please let me have that question again.
Okay, hold on, sir. I take the question again. So my question is, after you got the email notifying you of the cancellation of exit severance package, Did you challenge that decision?
I said yes. I went to the MD and complained to the MD.
Yes.
Do you have any, after you made that complaint, confirm that you continue to work?
Come again?
After you made that complaint,
Yes.
you however continue to work in the company despite the decision not being reversed?
Yes. The MD said if I contest it, I should leave if I don't want to work. And at that time, I don't have alternative job.
Yes.
Also confirm to the court that you received the letter accepting your resignation and the computation of your final payments.
Yes.
At least 2 months before you were paid the final payment.
No. It was when my total money was paid to my account. Few days before that time, it was sent to me on mail.
Please, let's have that again. What's your response?
I got the computation few days before I was paid, not months.
Okay. Yes.
Just to be sure, in your paragraph 5 of your second witness statement,
Okay.
you stated specifically that you got the acceptance letter along with the exit form on the 8th of April 2024. Is that correct?
Can you come again, please?
In paragraph 5 of your second witness statement, you told the court that you received the acceptance letter to your resignation along with the exit form on the 8th of April 2024.
No, that was not correct. On the day I received the acceptance letter was immediately after my application that I was leaving. The HRO sent me a letter of accepting my acceptance. It was not included with a document specifying my payment.
So he doesn't agree with his statement.
Sorry, madam.
Maybe you want to show him?
Paragraph 5 of the statement says, and my resignation was to take effect.
Please hold on. Can you read it out to him?
Very well, my
Yes, because you are referring him to that
document. Yes.
read it out to him.
Very well, my lord. And my lord, perhaps I can also share my screen on Zoom so that he sees for himself.
Okay.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. David, just a minute. Let me put your statement up so you can see the exact point I'm referring to. Mr. David, confirm if you can see my screen now.
Yes.
Okay, good. So I'm referring you to paragraph 5 of your second witness statement, and I'll read it out.
Okay.
You stated that my resignation was to take effect from 1st April 2024. But surprisingly, the defendant's MD directed me to vacate the office on the 18th of March 2024.
Correct.
While the acceptance letter of my resignation alongside the exit form were signed by the HR manager on the 8th April 2024 after I had exited the employment of the defendant on 18th March 2024. So my question.
This is correct.
This is correct. So you received the acceptance of your resignation on the 8th of April 2024.
No, it's like you didn't get it right. After I have exited the employment of the defendant on the 18th March 2024.
No, so my question is this. Understand my question. The acceptance of your resignation letter and the exit form, did they get to you on the 8th of April 2024?
The acceptance letter, no. See what I wrote there. Why the acceptance letter of my resignation alongside the exit form were signed, please, signed. I said signed.
Okay.
I said signed by the HR on the 8th. I didn't say collected. I said it was signed. Do you get that?
Okay. I'll take you back to paragraph 4.
Hold
Maybe
on,
that will
hold on.
for my lord to record that.
They said he didn't get the acceptance and exit on that date that you mentioned, that 8th April, but that it was signed by the HR on that date.
On 8th April.
Yes.
So my follow-up question, Mr. David,
Yes.
is looking at paragraph 4, which I will read. Let me read paragraph 4, then I ask you my question.
Okay.
That I never had any exit interview with a defendant on 18th March 2024 or any other date,
Yes.
and therefore put the defendant to the strictest proof. And I had no physical exit interview conducted for me by the defendant. An exit form was sent to me on 5th April 2024 after I had exited the employment of the defendant on 18th March 2024. So my question, Mr. David, when precisely did the acceptance of your resignation letter and the exit interview form get to you? Specific date got to you?
Now, it's like you are missing two things. Acceptance of resignation was done immediately. I put in a letter in 1st of February. Exit form was sent to me on my personal email on the 5th because I have already exited and my system was already locked out.
Okay.
Please take that again.
Now, my acceptance of resignation was done immediately in February when I wrote a letter to the HR that I had decided to leave. Then the exit form was sent to me on the 5th of April through my personal mail because the company has stopped me on the 18th. My system was already locked out. So they could not send it through my official mail. They now send it through my personal mail to me on the 5th.
So when was that sent? That exit, is it exit form?
Exit form, yes, ma'am.
When was that sent to your mail?
5th, on the 5th. I think the evidence is there. I sent the evidence on the 5th. It was on my.
I'm asking you, when was it sent?
5th.
On the 5th?
Yes, 5th of April.
5th of April?
Yes.
2024?
2024, yes. After I have exited.
After you had exited, sorry, when was that? When did you exit?
On the 18th of March.
Okay. Okay, 18th March 2024.
Yes. I was not given any document until on the 5th. I was the one complaining. I wrote them mails. I wrote Salami. I wrote the HR. Why am I not getting my exit form? It was then they sent it to my private mail, which is not supposed to be. It's supposed to be my official mail.
Yes, Council.
Yeah, thank you very much, my lord. So, Mr. David, so can you confirm to the court precisely when you got the computation of your final pay?
The computation of my final pay was sent to me few days before my account was credited.
Few days before?
My account was credited with my final payment. Few days.
Okay. Yes.
So please confirm to the court that your account was credited on the 9th of May, 2024.
I think I can confirm that. I'm not with the document yet.
Sorry?
I think I can confirm that because I'm not with the document here. I don't have any evidence with me here. That was my
So
account.
You cannot confirm that.
I think that was around May it was paid. I can't remember that.
Okay, you can't remember exactly when.
Yes. Because I have already.
Let me have that question.
Yes. So confirm to the court that your final entitlement was paid on the 9th of May 2024.
I can't confirm
he said
that.
He cannot exactly confirm.
He can't tell exactly, but I said May.
I can't confirm that.
Yes.
So confirm to the court that after receiving your final pay, it took at least 2 months before your lawyer wrote to the defendant.
Yes, I had to prepare. I had to get my document before informing my lawyer. I had to be sure before informing my lawyer.
Yes.
Also confirm that you did not reject the final payment that was made to you. You've received it and you have not returned it to the defendant.
There couldn't have been any way I should return it back because it was already paid to my account.
Well, is that the amount what you're referring to is the
final pay? Yes, my lord. The final pay that was computed.
Yes, Counsel.
My lord.
So
my lord.
Let's put. I hope you can see me, sir.
I have something to say here. My lord, for 3 months I exited. I was not paid. I was already indebted to people.
You said for 3 months?
Yes, I exited in April. My last payment was in February. So after 2 months or 3 months before I was paid, and I was already indebted, and I have my children, my family to take care of. So there couldn't have been any way for me to return the money.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so Mr. David, confirm to the court that that exit interview form that was emailed to you, you said on the 5th of April, 2024, that indeed you filled it and returned to the defendant.
I did, yes.
That's the one sent to his email.
Yes, the one sent to his email, my lord, said on the 8th of, it was 5th, sorry, of April 2025.
Yes, he said he filled same.
He filled same and returned it to the defendant.
Yes.
So, Mr. David, I believe you had the opportunity of looking at the statement of defense before you filed your reply. Confirm to the court that exit form you filled and returned is what is attached as Exhibit DEF2 to the statement of defense. If you want, I can share my screen and show you.
Maybe you should share it.
Share it,
Very
please.
well, my lord. Okay, I'm grateful, my lord.
Exhibit what you said?
Exhibit DEF2.
Okay, attached to your
Yes, attached to the
statement.
statement of defense.
Yes. Let him confirm if that was what
Yes,
he filled.
yes.
Yes.
Mr. David, I just shared my screen. Kindly
Yes.
confirm if you can see.
Yes.
Is it? Should I make it bolder?
Maybe you make it bolder so that I can.
Okay, let me do that.
Okay.
So, sorry. So this exhibit DEF2.
Yes.
I'll scroll through, confirm to the court that it is the exit form that you filled and returned.
Okay, go down. Yes.
Okay, okay.
He said yes.
You said I should go down.
Oh,
so
okay. He wants you to go down. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So, I believe this is the end of it, 4 pages.
Yes.
So you confirm to the court that this is it.
Yes, this is it. And it showed there that actually the HRO signed it on the 8th, like I said, and see the documents there on the 5th, I returned it.
Yes, you are correct.
Yes.
You can also confirm to the court that on the 5th of April, when you filled this exit interview form, you were no longer under the employment of the defendant and you filled it of your own free volition.
Yes.
When he filled what, this form?
The form, yes, my lord. On the 5th of April, he was no longer in employment and he did it of his free volition.
Yes, I did.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Can you kindly confirm to the court that on that form, in response to the question,
yes,
what is your main reason for leaving the company? You responded, personal.
Yes, I did. The reason was because I have never seen my final payments at that time.
Okay.
Yes, counsel.
Also confirm to the court that in response to the question, are there any other reasons that influenced your decision to leave? You responded no.
Yes. Like I said, as at that time, I have not got my pay, and that could not give me room to review how my treatment was in the company. So payment made it clear to me the humiliation that was meted out for me.
Yes, Council.
Okay. Mr. David, in paragraph 24 of your witness statement, you agree that your performance had dropped.
Yes. For only one appraisal month, appraisals of one appraisal month, not for 18 months. My performance dropped in one appraisal period. Not for 18 months, not for 3 appraisal period, for just only one.
Yes, we said for one appraisal
Just for
month.
one appraisal month.
Yes.
One appraisal period.
Okay, one appraisal period. Okay, thank you. Yes.
Confirm to the court that one appraisal period is equal to a period of 6 months.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Confirm to the court as well that the whole performance appraisal process is governed by the guidelines.
Which guidelines?
The guidelines for performance management and promotion.
I'm not aware of any guidelines to performance, evaluation.
Oh, sorry, my lord.
Yes.
So, Mr. David, then what guideline were you referencing in paragraph 18 and 19 of your second witness statement? I'll share my screen.
That is Trust Fund Handbook. Trust Fund Handbook was the only policy that guide employees in trust fund. We don't have any other policy outside the handbook.
Let me share my screen so you see what you wrote, and then perhaps you can get my question properly. In paragraph 18 of your second witness statement, which is currently on the screen, you stated that the defendant's handbook / guidelines did not provide that the warning and letter and suspension should be issued on the same day as their alternative, and the guidelines and handbook did not stipulate suspension without pay or salary, yet the defendant denied me salary for 6 weeks. What guideline is that, Mr.
The handbook is called Guidelines and Handbook and Guidelines, please. That is what I said here. I said stroke. It's clear there that I said handbook stroke guidelines. I didn't say guidelines separately. I said handbook stroke guidelines. It's the same. We call it handbook stroke guidelines.
Okay. So let me also ask you then, but do you agree that where performance drops below par for 3 consecutive periods, that is a period of 18 months, that there is a prescribed punishment?
We were called and told that if you don't perform in 18 months, your performance drop in 18 months, you are going to be given a warning. And after warning, you will be given a letter of suspension. I agreed.
Okay. Thank you. So, Mr.
Hold on.
Yes.
At what stage is that warning and suspension letter? When the
At
performance
18
drops?
months, when you have failed to perform for 3 periods, which is 18 months.
Yes.
Mr. David, have you looked carefully at the statement you brought from the Nigerian Housing Fund?
I have something to add before you go there. 18 months, I did not perform poorly in 18 months. I only performed poorly in one period of appraisal. The second appraisal, I scored 50. The other one, I scored 60.
We said it was only one that, yes, but this issue is not, he's saying you were the one that said warning is given, then later suspension.
Yes.
Where performance drops for 3 periods of 18 months.
Yes.
But you had said earlier on that you only, is it your performance, whatever, dropped only once?
Yes, and I was given a suspension letter, and I was also, my salary was stopped, and I was given a suspension.
Okay.
And my
even for that once, you were given a suspension letter?
I was given a warning. I was suspended. My salary was ceased, and I was demoted at the same time.
Okay, so, but you said it didn't drop for 3 periods of 18 months.
No, it didn't drop for only 1 month, for only 1 period.
Okay, hold on, let me put that one down. Yes, he said
only 1 quarter.
Yes,
only one.
And that even with that, he was given warning, he was suspended, and salary was stopped.
And I was also demoted. I was
And
reporting
he
to
was
my
also demoted.
Okay. So you were trying to
Yes.
to request him to look at a statement or so?
Yes, but no, I have one question before I get you to look at this. So, Mr. David, confirm that this period that you admit your performance dropped was the second quarter of 2021. That's the last half of 2021. That is June to December 2025.
July to December, not June.
July to December 2021.
Yes.
Confirm.
No, I think it was July, December 2021, correct?
Okay.
That was the only period out of the 18 months.
That was the only period out of the 18 months.
Yes.
Yes.
Confirm to the court as well that you saw exhibit DEF 12 attached to statement of defense. I'll share my screen now so you can have a look at it.
Okay, please.
Let me make it bolder. I hope you can see my screen now.
Yes.
Attached to what?
Exhibit DEF 12.
Yes.
Attached to the statement of defense. Confirm that you saw this letter.
Yes, this letter was based on my performance of July to December 2021. Yes.
Was based on performance for July to December 2021.
Yes, that is why I said it was observed that your performance for the year was this.
Council, you have exhausted your time.
Oh,
so
my son,
try
sorry.
to- yes.
I have just two more questions, my lord. I'm so grateful, my lord. So, Mr. Itulua,
Yes.
confirm that this letter states that your performance in the year 2022 was unsatisfactory and extremely poor.
Now, these were some of the tricks that the company did. I was not allowed to see my appraisers, and this letter was sent to me, and I could not object until I was able to have preview of my appraisers. Appraisers were hidden from staffs. No staff seen the appraisers. I saw this, and I couldn't object until I saw my appraisers. Thank you. This was form of the demoralization and frustration
I
given to
want
staff.
you to take that again.
Take
please.
it slowly, my lord is recording you.
Okay, madam, this letter
Don't
was
call me
written to
madam, please.
my lord, sorry.
Don't call me madam.
Sorry, madam, I said my lord,
Yes.
sorry.
All right.
My lord, this letter was
Yes.
part of
Let
the
me have your response again.
Okay,
Take your response slowly.
this letter was part of the frustration employees were facing. I was not allowed to see my appraisers because it was hidden from us. And this letter was written to me, not knowing the true picture of my appraiser until I was able to have the view. This letter was written in malicious manner. My appraisal for 2022 was not poor. It was written to frustrate me. The appraisers are there for him to bring to the court, my lord. Let him bring the appraiser to the court to see that I performed poorly in 2022 year.
They saying his appraiser in that year was not poor,
Yes.
that it was
Yes.
just written to frustrate him.
Yes. So, Mr. David, my question is, you therefore confirm to the court that you saw your appraisals for 2021 and 2022.
You presented this as a defense, and it was through your defense I saw it.
Have you answered the question that you saw your appraisals for 2021 and 2022?
No, I only saw July, December 2021 and July to December 2022. During his defense.
On receipt of the statement of defense.
Okay, upon receipt of the statement of defense.
Yes.
Okay. All right, okay. So we should be rounding up now.
Yes, my lord, I'm rounding up now.
Yes.
This would be my lord permits me just two questions to round
You
up on
said
this
you
point.
had taken one, counsel. Yes,
My lord,
just
I'll
one
take
more
one.
question. Yes.
Take one. I'm grateful, my lord. I'm grateful, my lord. So, Mr. David, the appraisals you saw attached to the defense,
Yes.
confirm that you signed those appraisals.
I did. After signing it, we submit, and we don't know what they do with it. Those cancellation that was done in that appraisal, I was not aware. Nobody informed me that my
Please,
stock was
witness, take that again.
Yes, the appraisal presented by the.
You signed it. You signed. You.
Yes, I signed. When we sign, we submit. We don't see it how it's treated.
Okay.
We are not informed of what final report is. They hide it from us. And you can see there was alteration of what I signed. That was not what I signed.
All right.
Alterations were made on the appraisers, not by me.
All right. Okay, that should be all.
That's all, my Lord. My Lord, we are grateful for the kind indulgence. Most grateful, my Lord.
Yes, Claimant Council. Yes.
I find that the witness is discharged.
Thank you, witness. You are discharged.
Oh, thank you, my Lord. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
That's the case of the claimant applying to close the case.
Yes, Congress.
My Lord, we are very grateful. On the part of the defendant, we have one witness, and in the circumstances, we would like to ask for a date to allow scholar.
I believe the witness is going to be taken in open court.
In open court, my Lord.
Yes, registrar, let's have a date. Can you check your diaries, counsel, for 12th of
12th
March?
of March. I believe, my Lord, 12th of March is convenient.
Yes, Claimant's counsel. It's convenient to both counsel.
Or 26th, 26th, February, March. It's fine. My Lord, we are grateful.
All right. So upon agreement of counsel, case is further adjourned to 12th day of March 2026 for definite defense.
As the court
Defendant
pleases.
counsel shall prepare witness accordingly.
As the court pleases.
Well, I'm very grateful for the conversation, despite pressing my Lord.
Thank you. So I think that should be all. We can exit the platform. I'm sure the witness has already exited as well.